was debating whether or not I was gonna film this part because this shows you how shot out I am mentally. I went grocery shopping, was it yesterday or the day before? Anyway, was starting my recipe as you guys can see, and I left out a key ingredient, red bell pepper. So unfortunately the Walmart that's close to me is like such a fiasco to go to. I am going to attempt to run to a different store that's a little easier to get in and out of. So I will be right back. And yes, I changed my top to yet another lacy see-through one. This is an old Cachet shirt. Does Cachet still exist? The store that we had here, which I loved and I own quite a few pieces from, ended up closing forever ago. But anyway, let me go. I don't even know what day of Vlogmas it is. Yeah, I don't really know how much I'm gonna record today simply because I really don't feel good. I've not felt good all day. Work was crazy and I'm honestly about to go to bed. So, got a full day tomorrow, but I'll see you when I see you. Hoping that this Vlogmas series has been pretty interesting for you guys. I've tried to do something interesting every day because I feel like my daily life is pretty boring. I do plan on filming more tonight if my lights being back here is an indication. I'm not quite sure what, but something will be documented, and then I'll probably will be hitting the sack. So I don't really know when I'm gonna sign on with you guys again. But I'm sure I will check back in at some point. And yeah, I do apologize for myself getting behind. If you've watched my whole series, you know the hiccups that I've had on my road, my hard drive breaking, my laptop breaking, me house sitting, and then me just not feeling well. Like, these videos are gonna have definitely probably already bled into mid-January, but I'm hoping that you guys are at least still enjoying these vlogs. But anyway, I'm just really exhausted. Yesterday was horrible. Work was stressful. I had a dull migraine the whole day, so I just didn't feel well. I didn't really eat anything. I was throwing up last night. I know that's TMI. So my mind is kind of all over the place, but I've had a coffee, I've eaten. It is 74 degrees outside right now. It's overcast, it's cloudy. I think it's supposed to rain. But let me sign off, and I'll check back in later. Don't know if you guys have heard of the Showbox app. I've recently downloaded a newer one that my friend Landy introduced to me. The night of that girls' night Christmas party. I ended up crashing at her house, and I slept in her room, and she basically needs the TV to play to fall asleep, and so she basically casted her phone to her TV with Terrarium TV, I think is what it's called. But I'll show you guys once I attempt to use it. But anyway, I got my Google Chromecast set up, and I'm trying to play the Justice League right now, which I've already seen. Yeah, I went into the premiere of that with my guy friends slash co-workers and saw it when it came out. But of course, it's always cool to watch it in the comfort of your home before anybody else. So I'm in the process of trying to cast it with my Google Chromecast from my phone to my TV, since it's not a smart TV. I have a Chromecast plugged into the side, so let's see how long this takes. Even though while I was at work on my lunch break, I was able to just start streaming the movie right then and there. Christmas Day. Cannot believe Vlogmas is almost over. Christmas Day, that morning I'm gonna go over to my parents, because that's of course where I'm gonna eat Christmas dinner. Now, my mom, she's doing a Korean Christmas, which I absolutely love. My mom rarely cooks Korean food, but when she does, it is delicious. But anyway. And then Vlogmas will be over. This is probably the most productive, even though I've had my hiccups, the most productive I've been with my channel, with uploading more than just one video a week. But yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself. Technically after Christmas, I don't know why this is taking so long. After Christmas, I will be house sitting, but Vlogmas will be over, so therefore, I'm not going to film any of that. You know, Vlogmas is basically a set schedule that's really given to me to vlog. Other than that, I normally only vlog whenever I'm doing like exciting things with my life. And that normally is only when I'm traveling. Which, I don't have plans for that until February for a wedding in Athens. But anyway, I'm just really delirious, you guys, which is why I'm just talking about nonsense. And really trying to get my Chromecast to stream this movie to my TV from my phone. And it's like it knows it's being filmed. That's why it's taking so long. I don't know. Don't know when I'll check back in with you guys. Maybe I'll come up with something interesting. I'm not sure. We will see when this is uploaded, probably in mid-January. But I will see you guys, if not later tonight, then probably most likely to be tonight. Then I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day. Okay, you guys, I'm actually switched over to Terrarium because it seems like my my Showbox app does not want to work for whatever reason, even though it worked perfectly fine earlier. And so I'm still on my Chromecast of my phone, and I'm balancing the camera on my knee right now. But I'm going to movies. This is a lot like Cody. And so you may end up with a lot of crappy links of like screen recordings, but let's just see what's going to come up. Alright, so I'm chiming in really quick in the middle of filming some beauty videos with a Vlogmas Day 30, I think, moment. It's Christmas Eve. It's actually almost midnight, so it's almost Christmas. And I just want to chime in really quick, just hoping to God that you guys actually enjoyed this Vlogmas series for this year. I actually try to be as consistent as possible, even though I had my hiccups. Uploaded quite regularly for me, that is, and then incorporate a lot of new ideas to keep you guys entertaining, even though they were mostly hauls, but still. you know, I went out and did some things that I've never done before. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I will bring the camera to my parents' house tomorrow and document some of our Christmas for you guys to see. But this is gonna be it. I give a lot of credit to daily vloggers because I don't think I'd be able to do it. Not saying that this is the end of vlogs. I do have a couple of trips planned next year already, even though I hope to God that I will have my hard drive sent and hopefully recovered fixed before February, the first trip I have for 2018. Just so I can get those lost vlogs and my past trips in the past 18 months up for any new ones. But I don't know why I went off on that tangent. But besides me acknowledging the VLOGMAS series, I also wanted to chime in because I actually did finish watching Star Wars and I actually did enjoy it. I've heard good things and I've heard some bad reviews from people that I know, some mixed reviews. It was definitely more comical than I expected. The funny moments actually had me laughing pretty hard and I just did not expect the funny moments that there were. That were kind of silly. But of course, there were a few WTF moments. I don't want to say too much because I don't want to spoil anything. But one thing that I did love and appreciate, kind of probably expecting it cheesy on my end, was the fact that they've introduced a new Asian character by the name of Rose. So, first when it showed the first Asian girl, I was like, yeah, Asian girl. And then it showed the second one, which was her sister. But then she was, or Admiral Rose. I was just like, huh? Because I don't really hear my name that often. I mean, the only other movie I can think of that's had my name would be like Titanic, but that was like a rich white woman from the old days. You know, for it to actually be an Asian chick, I thought that was pretty cool. But anyway, I'm gonna get back to filming, and then probably conclude my night cleaning, relaxing. I still have the last episode of Guardians of the Galaxy to play. Who knows? I technically don't have to be up till 11 to get ready and to pick up my niece, to take her to my parents' house. But anyway, you guys will see me soon.